Hi everyone. Wow, look at this toys. They are so dirty. But don't worry. Today we are going to clean them all and make them shiny like new. We have so many amazing toys like a race car, a truck, military jet, aeroplane, excavator, fire brigade, bike, Batman, and so many toys. Let's starting cleaning and see the magic happen. Don't forget to watch till the end and tell us which toy looks the best after cleaning. Let's go. Let's go watch this twice. Wow. Wow. Nice. Wow, this is a gun. Amazing. Wow, a blue truck. Amazing. Wow, this is a pig on. Nice. Wow, a small mixture. Wow, a small auto rickshaw. Wow, this is a tank. Super. Wow, this is a small cute bicycle. Wow, this is a Porex. Wow, jet aeroplane. Nice. Wow, military helicopter. Nice. A small Ferrari car. Amazing. Wow, a fire brigade. Amazing. Wow, a dirt bike. Wow, this is a Batman. So beautiful, amazing. Wow, this is a dolphin. Amazing. Wow, this is a Bentley car. Excavator! Wow! Wow, a small white jeep. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.